I'm a senior operations manager. I like problem solving. We don't have enough renewable energy. People aren't used to it out in the world, and there's a lot of resistance, right? And so like, how do we change that, on a big scale? Right now, we are actually licensed and operating in a large amount of states. But what we're doing is, we're filling in the continental US so that eventually we'll be selling and installing in all states, bring it to the masses. Everybody is interested in doing good in the world, helping each other out and enabling progress. We're definitely all interested in contributing positively to the future. It just feels really great to enable people to do the work that they do, to install the solar, to get homeowners on this bandwagon. We care a lot about renewable energy on a large scale. This has never been done before. There's not a lot of building integrated photovoltaic products that are successful. Everybody loves the idea that it's something a roofer can install, that it looks like a shingle. If I can help people do their work better, that makes me feel good too.